Hi, people of the world. This is our Uber ride to the children nature retreat. We first saw a pig and a horse. Here's the pig again. Then a camel, zebras, and then goats. Here are more goats. This is my shadow while walking. And this is a buffalo. Here are cows. We then found a shady area and had a snack. And then here are more animals that we saw. In this video, one can see a recipe how to make sugo, also known as sausage, in a skillet. Add oil, then throw in the sugo, and then garlic, and then let it simmer. When it's done, I went ahead. Oh, actually, you throw in some onion and garlic powder. Once it's done, I put it inside a sandwich, and it was very delicious. This is a window treatment, my DIY project for this week. Here is a manicure. Thank you.